my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy DIY Valentine's wall decor. So let's get started. To make this, take a strip of paper and fold it in half like this and crease it. Then open it, and on this crease we need to punch a hole with the hole punch. Now do the same to more strips. I'm using colorful strips, but you can also use one same color strips. Then pass a thread through the hole of one strip and put the strip at the bottom. Then I need to fold the paper in heart shape and staple it along with the thread. Then put one or multiple beads and repeat the process of adding paper hearts and beads. Now this is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.